Good morning, dear student, and today we speak about circumference of a circle. Now we have a new lesson which is called circumference of a circle. We have here a circle. We must remember this distance is called radius. If we have another circle like this, and all of this distance is called diameter. We know that diameter equal radius by 2. And if we wanted to get radius, then radius equal diameter divided 2. Now, to get the circumference, we have two rules. The first one, we put in our triangle, circumference equal to this line is called by r. 2 by r. Okay, and if we have a diameter, we have another rule which is called by times d. Okay, and now we can get the problems. The first one, the circumference of a circle equal to what? Of course, is 2 by r. If we have 2, then it must be 2 by r, or by times, or by d. Number 2, here we must put this by equal 22 over 7. And now the circumference of a circle of a diameter. Yeah, tell me the diameter. Then we must choose the rule by the diameter. The diameter 10.5. Then we have 20 by times diameter. Then by 22 over 7 by 10.5, which will be equal 32.97. Sorry, but we will put here by like this. By equal 3.14. Number 2, the circumference of a circle of radius 5. Then we have here radius by equal 22 over 7. Then we have the rule equal 2 by r. 2 by equal 22 over 7. He gave me in the questions. He gave me by in the questions. By r, which is equal 5. Then the result will be I can choose by my calculator now. 2 by 22 over 7 by 5. And now we can put shift and SCD to get the fractions, which is equal which is equal 31.3 over 7 centimeter. If we have the more than 3 or 4 digits by decimal, we can get shift and after that put SD. Number 4, the diameter of a circle equals circumference. Diameter don't come with 2, then we say it by, but radius meaning 2 by. Number 5, a circle with circumference 20. This way, this is circumference. We put circumference at up because it's the greatest. We put at up over. He wanted the radius. Radius remaining 2 by in the triangle. Remember with me, circumference equal 2 by radius. Then if I want radius, we can hidden it equal circumference over 2 by. Then circumference equal 2 by over 2. 20 by over 2 by. By here, cancel by here, 20 over 2, which is equal 10. Number 6 is homework, and you can get by equal 22 over 7. It will give me it. Number 7. Now focus with me. In the opposite figure M, the center of the circle, MA, this distance, MA is equal 7 centimeter. Then MB is equal also 7 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the figure. Remember with me, perimeter of the figure meaning the sum of outline of the shape. This shape and this line. This shape is called semicircle. Semicircle meaning the half circle. Then we choose this rule. Half at first. Here he gave me MA. MA is a radius. Then I use half because semicircle 2 by R. We can't finish right now. We have also here a line, straight line. Then it's equal 7 plus 7, which is equal 14. And now we have here half by 2 by 22 over 7. He gave me the by R by 7 plus 14. And the result will be here 2 and 2, it's cancelled, 7 and 7 cancel, equal 35, equal 36 centimeter. Okay, number 2 is homework. And now we look at other questions like this. Calculate the perimeter of the opposite figure. What is this figure? Here we have semicircle, half of circle, and they have semicircle, half of circle. At the middle, we have a rectangle. We say the perimeter of the outlines, like this. Then we have here semicircle and semicircle, which is equal circle. This line is the diameter or radius? No, this is diameter. Look here. This is a circle. This is a circle. And this line is a diameter. And this is, we make circle. If we have a line here, then this line is a diameter. Then that's diameter. Then we choose y times d. Finish? No. Plus what? This line equal 10 centimeter and this line also 10 centimeter. Then plus 20 centimeter by 22 over 7 by diameter, which is equal 7 centimeter plus 20, which is equal 44 centimeter, 42 centimeter. Okay. And now question number 4. He said, calculate the radius. He wanted to get the radius. Radius, we start by 2. Don't forget, of a circle whose circumference equal is 22. Then 44. Circumference over 2 by. And now circumference equal 44 over what? Over 2 by 22 over 7. Which is equal 44 over 44 over 7. By your calculator, you can get your answer quickly, 7 centimeters. Okay, and now we solve right like this, then it will be homework. This shape, what is this shape? If we have a circle here, look here, this circle, if we take this part, it's called quarter of circle. This side, this length is radius. Then we have here a radius. Then first we have a quarter of circle, then quarter by 2 by R. Plus what? This line and this line. 7 and 7 is 14. Quarter by 2 by 22 over 7 by 7 plus 14. And now we can use our calculator to get this. It will equal 25 centimeter. Other one is here, he put sign here and sign here and sign here. What this meaning? This meaning all of these lines are equal. One of them 14, then the other is 14, and this is 14. All of this is 14. Here we have a semicircle, half of circle, and this line and this line. then the perimeter equal half semicircle, that's meaning he gave me the diameter, then half pi by d plus what? 14 and 14. 14 plus 14. Mister, why you can't calculate this with each of them? Because 14 here from inside the shape and the perimeter from the outside. The perimeter from outside line. Half by 22 over 7 by 14 plus 14 plus 14 equal 28. Then the sign equal 50 centimeter. Okay. The last questions. Two circles, the diameter of the first is 20 centimeter. Then the diameter of the first circle and the diameter of the second 40 centimeter. The diameter of the second. Find the difference between its circumference. Here, I don't give you by, and I say it by, you get the answer by referring to by. Then the circumference of the first circle equal by times d1, which is equal 20 by. That's the first one. And the circumference of the other circle, which is equal by times d2, equal 40 by. Here, he wanted to get difference. The difference meaning minus, we know that. Difference equal 40 y, 40 by minus 20 by, which is equal 20 by. Thank you for listening and goodbye.